Good afternoon, everyone. Deborah Heartless with Mary Kay Cosmetics coming to you to show you something hot off the press. A limited edition Mary Kay just came out with. It's a pink lip kit or a nude lip kit. So I wanted to show you, and I am wearing the pink today, and it is so awesome. It's very creamy. It is a matte. This is the tube. And you have a liner with it that is one that you do not have to trim. It comes up, you just roll it like our liners. And the beautiful pink, look at that lipstick. Isn't that just sharp? Love it. I'm so glad I ordered one of these for me as well as for you all. This is the new style tube for this particular set. And I just wanted to come on today real quick and show you, in case you haven't seen this set yet. They're not in the books that came out this spring, but I'm sure they'll be in the summer. Well, I'm not sure of that. It's something special Mary Kay has put a limited time offer on. So I don't know how long they'll offer them. This is the nude, as you can see, in the tone family of browns, brown tone, beige. And this is the liner for the nude. Cute sets. They would make nice gifts or yourself, but it's a perfect liner. I have these on today, and it's $28 for the set. So grab these before they run out. Limited time only. Lip kits, the nude and the pink. And I'm wearing the pink today. Happy spring, everyone, in a couple days. Thanks for watching.